do you like traveling?
Travel.
Do you like traveling?
What is travel? Traveling? What is travel?
I mean, do you like go outside?
A little, but I'm more like don't outside. I'm more like not outside. If
do you
I
like
work out,
beach?
I will see the nature. I will see nature
Okay,
like
so do you like beach?
animals and plants and what?
Do you like go to beach or hillside?
No, I like ocean. I like the sea.
Ocean. Oh, that's
I
cool.
like the sea.
Okay.
Yes, I like ocean. I don't like beach. I like ocean. I like sea.
Okay. That's
I
cool.
like animals. Cat. Just like cat, dog. Cat, dog. I like animals. I also.
Okay. So your name is Free. So do you know what is the meaning of your name?
Because I like free, so I got myself this name.
Yeah, that's cool. It means independence, right?
Independence. What is independence?
I mean your
Independence.
name. What is the name? What is the meaning of your name? Your name Free. So it means independence.
Yes. It means I like free.
Okay, so do you wanna see? I draw you already. It's done.
What? You draw me?
Yeah.
Okay. I will wait you. I will wait you.
Okay.
I will wait you
3,
finish.
2, 1. Let's go.
I think it's not similar to me. You are drawing.
Yeah, I'm
It's not similar.
actually I'm a new student. I'm learning how to draw picture. So I'm not very good.
You are student.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You are student.
Yeah, I'm learning how to draw a man, how to draw a picture, like that.
Okay, I see. To be honest, I think you need to study more and more. Enjoying. I think
Yeah.
you need to study more and more. Enjoying.
Yeah, I think so. So, okay, it's okay. And it's nice to meet you. Free.
Also nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Oh, it's familiar. It's familiar. It's familiar. It's so familiar. But I can't remember it. But I think it's familiar. Yes.
It's like a cartoon.
But I can't remember it.
Okay, no problem. So, tell me, what's your favorite food?
Oh, you can guess. My favorite food is potato and tomato and eggs and oh, okay, just this.
Okay. And what are famous food in China?
Famous food. What famous in China? Food.
Yeah.
Let me see. Food. Oh, let me translate.
You know food?
Food.
Yeah. when we go to a restaurant, we eat food. Even we take food at home.
I go to restaurant. Oh, I just cook myself. I just cook by myself at home.
Oh, that
I
means
don't
you
go
are very
to
good.
restaurant.
You are very good at cooking.
No, just a little. No, I'm not very good. A little. I'm not very good. I'm not very good at cooking.
Okay.
Just a little.
Okay. You know, in my country, lots of people know about Chinese food.
Chinese cook.
Chinese food, yeah.
Oh, I see. Chinese food, rice
Yeah.
and corn and
Okay.
那个叫什么 and
Okay, Free. Now tell me, what is the time? What time is it now over there?
8:04 a.m.
Oh, it's morning, right?
Yes. 8:04 a.m. 8:04 a.m.
So, what is your today's plan?
Oh, I just want to learn English. I like English, and I want to be an English teacher. So today's plan is learn English and work out. Yes.
Okay. And okay, that's cool. So you look so cute, and Chinese girls all are beautiful, like you.
Oh yes, Chinese girl is also beautiful. I just so.
Yeah.
Chinese girl is beautiful. Yes.
So, do you have a boyfriend?
I just. No.
No. Are you still single?
Yes, I'm still single. You're right.
But why are you single?
Because I don't want to have a boyfriend. I just want to learn. I just want to make myself grow up more and more. So I don't want to make a boyfriend.
Okay, then it's my reaction.
Oh, it's not similar to me. Your drawing is not similar to me.
No, it's not you. It's my reaction. You know?
What?
I just react like that.
Oh, this is familiar. I think I'm familiar to it, but I can't remember it. No, I can't remember it now. But I feel familiar to it.
Okay, so do you watch cartoons sometimes? Cartoon. Do you watch cartoon sometimes?
Cartoon. Oh, cartoon. Oh. 对。Yes. It's cartoon. Yes. It's cartoon.
Yeah, it's
I
kind of
remember
cartoon.
it. Cartoon.
Yeah.
Yes, it's cartoon. Yes.
So you can sing a song. You can sing a Chinese song.
Yes, I can sing.
Okay, so can you sing a song right now?
Let me see what songs. Let me see what songs.
Okay.
But
You can-
I don't know why I can't have the music, but I don't know why.
No, you can sing without music. You can sing a song without music. Just 3 or 4 lyrics. That's
Okay,
enough.
Okay. Let me say. I want to sing songs. Let me say songs.
You can sing any song. Which one is your favorite?
Okay. Let me see. Let me use my another phone.
Okay, no problem. You can use your another phone, no problem.
Yes, I use my another phone. Play music.
Okay.
Play songs. I want to sing.
Okay.
Sing.
That's cool, no problem.
Can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
知道的会是什么？是难过，是孤独，还是接着下一个？落下是个借口，我强忍着痛，爱有始有终，我不明白。Okay, over.
Oh, thank you so much. You can sing very well.
You can sing a song to me, if you.
But it was a Chinese song, right?
Okay. It's nice. Chinese song, nice.
I mean, you sing a Chinese song, right?
Yes, I sing Chinese song. Yes.
Okay. So I don't know Chinese. So
let me sing an English song to you. Okay.
oh, English song. I don't know English song. Actually, I'm from Bangladesh, so I can speak Bengali very well, and it's my mother tongue. I can speak Bengali fluently, and I know many Bengali
you can
songs.
sing. Oh, you can sing your native songs. You can sing native songs to me.
Oh, that's cool. No problem. So let me think.
Okay.
Which song? Yeah. Let me think. Just wait a minute. Okay.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, wait you. Okay.
Okay. তুমি আসবে
I will wait you.
তুমি আসবে বলে বসন্ত এসে পেরিয়েছে চৌকাঠ তুমি আসবে বলে শিশির পরে গেছে মাঠঘাট তুমি আসবে বলে That's it.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
I sing you song. I sing you English song.
Okay.
I sing an English song to you.
Okay. That's cool.
Oh no. I think I just Chinese song.
No
Chinese song.
problem. Okay, that's cool. No problem.
Chinese song.
You can sing a Chinese song, no problem. But can you sing a song without music?
Don't music.
Yeah, without music, you can sing a song.
Oh, let me sing. But I can't remember this. I can't remember this song if you don't have music. When I listen to the music, so I can sing a song, sing this song.
Okay, it's okay.